Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to contact Viber customer service directly through the app. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber application on your mobile device. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see several navigation options. Go ahead and tap on More. This section gives you access to all the additional settings and features that aren't part of your main chat interface. Once you're in the More section, scroll down through the menu options until you find About and FAQ. This is where Viber keeps important information about the app, including support resources and frequently asked questions. Tap on About and FAQ to proceed. Now, within this section, you'll see an option labeled Support. Tap on Support to continue. This is the gateway to reaching Viber's customer service team when you need help with account issues, technical problems, or general inquiries about the platform. When you tap Support, the app will automatically redirect you and open a browser window. This takes you to Viber's official support website where you can submit your questions or concerns directly to their team. Give it a moment to load completely before moving forward. Once the browser page fully loads, scroll down on that page. You'll need to navigate past some initial information and FAQs until you reach the contact options available to users. Keep scrolling until you find what you're looking for. As you continue scrolling, you'll come across a button that says Contact Us. This is exactly what you need to get in touch with Viber's support team. Go ahead and tap on Contact Us to open the contact form. Before you can fill out the form, you'll need to verify that you're not a robot. This is a standard security measure to prevent spam and automated submissions. Complete the verification process by following the prompts on screen, whether it's checking a box or completing a simple challenge. After verification, you'll see the contact form appear with several fields that need to be filled out. Start by entering your email address in the first field. This is how Viber's support team will respond to you, so make sure it's accurate. Next, enter your name so they know who they're assisting. Then select the appropriate category from the drop-down menu that best describes your issue, whether it's account problems, technical issues, or billing questions. After that, choose your country from the list. Enter your phone number in the designated field. Now, in the subject field, write a brief title that summarizes your issue. Finally, in the description field, explain your problem in detail, providing as much relevant information as possible to help the support team understand and resolve your issue quickly. Once you've filled out all the required fields, tap Submit to send your inquiry to Viber's customer service team. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your request to Viber customer service, and they'll get back to you via email as soon as possible. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.